Black garlic, a powerful superfood loaded with antioxidants and health-boosting compounds. But is it all good, or are there side effects you should know about? In this video, we'll reveal the amazing benefits of black garlic, how it supports your body, and the possible risks. Watch till the end to discover why black garlic is becoming a health trend worldwide. Black garlic benefits and side effects. Black garlic is not your regular garlic. It's made by fermenting fresh garlic at high temperature and humidity for weeks. This process turns it black, reduces its pungency, and boosts its antioxidant properties, making it a powerful natural remedy. Black garlic is packed with a compound called S-allyl-cysteine, which strengthens your immune system, helping you fight colds, flu, and infections naturally. Black garlic helps lower cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. If you want better focus and memory, black garlic contains compounds that protect the brain from damage and improve cognitive function. For diabetics, black garlic can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing spikes and crashes. Say goodbye to chronic inflammation. Black garlic reduces inflammation and supports liver detoxification, keeping your body healthy. While black garlic is generally safe, overconsumption can cause mild digestive discomfort like bloating and gas, low blood pressure if taken with medication, and allergic reactions, which are rare but possible. Always start with small amounts and consult your doctor if needed. Wondering how to eat black garlic? Try it raw as a snack, mixed into soups and sauces, or as a supplement. Just check with the doctor. Get creative and enjoy the benefits. Black garlic is a game changer for health, but balance is key. Have you tried it? Share your experience in the comments, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health tips.